Hi, and welcome to Kingdom Custom Creations. In this video, we're going to talk about the amazing platform called Shopify. Now, if you're not familiar, Shopify is a web host that will be the main center that you go to your website and enhance it and make all of your changes, where you upload themes, where you have apps, which basically is the brain center for your website. Now, if you plan to be a small business owner and are looking for a website platform, then Shopify is what you're looking for. Now, I'm going to tell you about 13 reasons to move to Shopify if you are on another platform currently, but you may not be on one, and just maybe 13 reasons to have Shopify as your only platform that you've ever used. So, start off with number one. The first thing is that Shopify has an amazing community. Here is the website itself. I will go down a little bit and see it's a pretty clean and sleek website here. This part on the top has its pricing for different website plans that they have, starting at $29.99 a month. I think they have one actually at $9.99, which is very limited. And you also have a 30-day free trial, and that 30-day free trial link is down in our description whenever you finish watching this video. Anyways, they have a Facebook page. Of course, they are open 24/7. So unlike many other platforms, 24/7 you can call a Shopify expert 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can be taken care of, which is excellent, because if you have your own website and you're doing your own maintenance, you definitely need someone to always be there for you. And I have been using them for a long time, and I call them no matter what time, and I get great answers. And I will call right back over and over until I get something fixed if I don't get it fixed the first time. So a great Facebook community as well that are giving you answers to frequently asked questions, and there's a section on there where you can look at files and stuff like that. A lot of blogs that they put out, a lot of information just in the e-commerce square, all types of business, small business information. So it's a very good community to be a part of. A great Twitter following. You can see they have over 220,000 Twitter followers on their Twitter page. There's also a Shopify YouTube channel which has many explanatory videos. You can see here they are in Google Plus, Instagram as well. So, and they have an app. So if you have this as your platform, not only can you take care of everything online and have a 24/7 coverage, you can actually work on your website from your mobile phone. So this is totally intuitive to the style that you need and to help you to have a successful website. Okay. Number two is that the documentation is seriously good. Shopify has been around for a long time, and there are very few websites or platforms that Amazon has integrated with. And if you know, Amazon is probably one of the largest companies in the world, and they have allowed Shopify to allow their interface to connect with Amazon. So their API is connected to Amazon. And when Amazon had its own marketplace, it had its own basically small website type part for their sellers, they decided to get rid of that, and Shopify was the first company that they used to integrate with. So when sellers originally had sort of a storefront, when Amazon did away with that, Shopify was one of the ones who won the first bid to integrate with them. Because Shopify had a great record and proved themselves to be a strong company. Okay, number three here, Shopify gives you 27 support. I said that already. That is a bar none, something that you can take care of. Shopify is a hosted solution. So once you come to Shopify, they automatically connect you to website host servers, like things like what GoDaddy would do, and Bluehost and HostGator and things like that would do. Shopify already has those built in. So when you come to the website, you don't have to go off site and connect with iPage or something like that, and then have to connect all of those different features to your website. It's all in one. You connect your Shopify store. They have the host built in. one click. There's none of that, well, having to work with all kind of HTML and all kind of code and things like that. It's already done for you seamlessly. Okay, it is very secure. Shopify has trust badges that they put on their websites that show the community that this is their secure servers. And then this has become a popular sign to see if you can notice it right here. This Shopify with a green bag. That's their trademark sign right there. That is on their websites to show that it is secured by them, which is a very helpful thing for shoppers. The pricing is transparent. This is number 6. As you can see up here, their pricing starts, like I said, I believe $9.99 is a very small one. It's not shown here, but $29.99 is the first offer that they have, and then it goes up to $2.99 for an advanced user. Okay. It's mobile friendly and responsive, and checkout is the best. That's very important. Nowadays, people are shopping more and more on mobile. And like you can see from this app, you want to be able to be on mobile, and then what they call it is just to be able to be moving through your website with just a finger. You want to be able to have a very intuitive website, and to be able to find a product, like a product, add it to cart, purchase the product, very simple. And their process is very streamlined, because they know that businesses want to make sales, so they make it most efficient for you. So they know that the more sales you make, the longer they'll keep you as a client. So they're working around the clock to be innovative for you. Number 8, the store administration is easy. Like I said, going through the admin panel, you are able to see all of the features that you need, very, very well categorized. Even on mobile, you're able to take care of everything you need to do. You can add products, you can delete products, you can change prices, you can do everything you want. You can add apps and stuff like that. Number 9 is it gives you access to multiple sales channels. Like I said, it's integrated with Amazon, and that's important because Amazon, eBay, Etsy, all of the main platforms they're integrated with. So if you have one of these shops, there's a lot of apps and there's a lot of syncing that can go on to where you just actually add another sales channel. Because when you're on these channels like Amazon and Etsy and all these things, you know that your accounts are fragile. But when you have a website, you own that, and now you have a place to where you can have some security because you own it. So you will basically be opening up a new stream of income for yourself, which is a wise decision. Number 10, if you do have another website host, moving to Shopify will not affect your SEO ranking. So basically, if you're on Ecommerce or one of the major platforms and you decide to transfer over to Shopify, you won't lose your rankings. And that's important because you with the 24/7 help, they will help you seamlessly from your platform that you're on to Shopify and get you seamlessly integrated so that your customers are not affected by it long term or have any major disruptions in your flow of commerce. Number 11, it's an excellent, carefully guarded app and theme stores. They have a lot of free themes on Shopify. So once you purchase your monthly plan, I might add, you have a 30-day, a 14 to 30-day free trial, depending on where you get your trial from. But then you have free themes that you can start off with, or they have very nice themes. So you see from these very nice themes that you will see on websites, you have those options as well to purchase. We already talked about number 12, the Shopify experts. These are all mostly people who are Shopify website owners, who are small business owners, who have, when you call them, they have the type of apps that you may be looking for, have used them, or have a lot of ratings on these different apps and things like that. And last is number 13, Shopify Plus, their enterprise level. So if you are a large company, they are large enough to handle the smallest business, the first-time users, and very large multi-level corporations. So check that out. We saw we had $300 a month for certain platforms. Last, I'm going to give you a bonus, which are 5 reasons why 62% of Shark Tank businesses use Shopify. Now, this is huge because Shark Tank is one of the leading business shows of our time, and 62% of their businesses use Shopify. So that tells you a whole lot right there, that these companies are at a successful level enough to where they can make it onto this world famous show and make it even larger. And they already have a platform. It's working well with them, and they want to grow and expand with the investors. But they already have a track record, and it's good enough, and it's enough to where they would have it mentioned here in this article. And it says the top 5 reasons why they use those are speed and security. We didn't talk about speed, but of course, with them having the service that they have and maintaining it with the type of equipment and crew that they have, they do not have a lag or a problem with overloading their system, even when they have great companies going on shows like Shark Tank, where when you go on that kind of show, your site traffic is going to be more than you ever had, and most servers crash, and they've had stories of people on the show where their servers crash. Well, this platform is large enough to handle the multi-level corporations, and they do not have this problem. With it being an all-in-one platform, like I said, you don't have to worry about having a host in another area and then dealing with all types of API and HTML and coding to have to connect. Everything that you need, they have there. If it's an app, it's an all-in-one platform. The design, they have so many free themes, and then the paid is this unlimited amount of those. They also have a department that you can pay for expert level work, where when you call to their 24/7 line, they can deal with you on most intermediate to advanced levels. But whenever you need things that are beyond what the theme that you bought are doing, or their level of expertise are doing, and going into very complicated, multi-complex things, then you need advanced. And they have a crew that can do that, the paid area. And then the marketing. Shopify has its own marketing built in, because in a way, Shopify has an algorithm that it works well with Google and Bing and all the other major service providers, so that your website has good search rankings, because it is a fast-moving website, and Shopify is a secure website that is recognized by those, and it gives you a higher ranking through their pages. And customer service, of course, 24/7 customer service, that's just bar none. It's hard to have that nowadays, having to wait to the weekend when you have problems that can cause a lot of financial problems on your website. So the conclusion of this is that Shopify is a great platform for you to try. If you have never been on a website before and have been a small business owner, Shopify, I recommend, is number one. You can find ones that are cheaper than $29 a month. But then you're going to have to worry about, well, you have to pay separately for this type of host, and you have to worry about whether they're open or not, and having to maybe pay for certain things to be taken care of. This is $30 a month to start off with. You have 24/7 coverage. You get started off with free themes. They have a great community with social media. They have videos. There's blogs. The app is very intuitive. And of course, they come with either a 14 or 30-day trial. The link in the description will click you right over into the Shopify admin page, where you can sign up for a free trial. And there's also a couple links down in there for apps that you can try that are great on increasing your revenue as cart abandonment types apps, so that when you have customers coming to your website and you're not making a lot of money, these apps can help you recover those abandoned carts and help you get more sales. And they have free trials as well. So I hope you like this video. Check out our description area with all of the links in this area of Shopify and other type of small business areas that might help you. And we hope you have a great day. Don't forget to Check out our other videos that are